I got a good friend. He's kind of somebody. He's with the Canadian government. You'll see him on TV. I was on the phone with him like 2 hours yesterday. We was talking mergers and acquisitions, labor shortages, tariffs, taxation, fuels. What the fuck we gonna do about this fentanyl crisis? How that's affecting them? You know, just shooting the shit. We will even work the women problem with women and relationships and getting to the gym. Matter of fact, I spoke to him for an hour while I was in the gym on my headset. He reminded me, see, sounds like you're getting it. I said, yeah, love him to death. I won't mention his name. But in our little stupid conversation, we came up and said, you know what? The crematorium's a hell of a business concept. He laughed. I laughed too. But think about it. The cost of raw durable goods, zero. And it's unlimited in supply. And the only thing you really got to buy is the gas. And then, of course, you need to put some type of air filter system in. You can't be having it smell like burnt pork out there for 3 miles because you're cooking bodies, right? But it's a real lucrative business. I mean, if you could do one an hour, 8 times 8, 6,400 a day times 5, that's 30,000 plus another 2. It's about $32,000, $36,000 a week. And you're just paying the gas bill. That's it. And that's what I reminded him. I said, yeah, when my daddy died, I was there. He said, what do you mean? I said, well, that morning I got up, I went down to the crematorium and they had him in a box, in a big cardboard box. And the greatest man I ever loved was in that box. I pulled that lid off. He was on that roller system, you know, that rolls them in there. I reached out, I kissed him on the forehead. He was cold, stiff. He was gone, right? And I'd been out of jail for a day. They let me out because I got a furlough. You know, bury my daddy. I kissed him and I put that lid back on him. I shoved him in that crematorium. I said a little prayer with them dudes and I said, which button is it? They showed me. I said, sayonara, and I pushed that button. Right next to the grinder. That's the bad part about crematoriums. You know, it just burns the soft tissue off, then they got a big grinder right there that puts you in, they turn you into dust. Me and my family are gonna trust the Lord's promise. We're gonna we're gonna try. If we're gonna get a new body, by God, we're gonna get a whole full new one because we're gonna be powdered when he comes back. And Daddy, I love you. I'm sorry I was a little late on my delivery about getting right, but I'm sure giving it hell now. And if I had the money, I'd buy me a crematorium. It's a money-making son of a bitch. Me and my homeboy from Canada, we done started looking. God bless you, from Hot Springs, Arkansas, all the way to the Canadian border and beyond. Hey, fuck you, Ukraine. Fluid English.